back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. On today's episode of What's in This Box, we're going to open this box and find out what's in this box from Fabfitfun. If you are new to Fabfitfun, I'll leave more in the description down below. Editing me does a good job at that. It is a quarterly or like seasonal subscription box. I do the annual instead of the seasonal. I don't know if that makes, I think it does make a difference because I think you get to pick everything before everybody else does. But I mean, I think everything is still available, not all the time, some of the times. Like they put a limited quantity sometimes, so I mean, that's probably a beneficial thing to do. But this is the Fabfitfun Summer 2025 box. We're gonna open this together, see what I picked. Oh, that's cute. Look at this. Oh, isn't there 50 in the box? That is so, it says 50. I don't know. I can't get the whole thing in the screen. I cannot. But that is so cute. I did let other people pick some items because there was no interest that I had for some things. But let me open. Paper. Ads. Is that everything? Trash. I got it in the trash this time. Cool. This is my box. As you can see. Where'd my phone go? Oh, it's over here. I was like, I lost my phone. I did not lose my phone. I just put it down over there. Let me pull up the app. So for the first item, it's this big chunk. It feels very fluffy in here. This package, it's from Sol Angeles Gauzy Maxi dress in the size medium large. It's supposed to be $128. When I tell you, it did not look like $128. But does it say on here? I think it's supposed to be 100% cotton. And because things get like really hot here in the desert, I was like, you know what? And I'm not a dressy girl. I'm not a dress kind of girl. So I was like, let's try her out. Oh dear. So here I am, like my shoulders, and then my waist gets smaller than my shoulders. I think I picked the wrong size. That's okay, because I was like, worst case scenario, oversized, and we are definitely doing some oversized. Okay. Oh, all right. I'll have to leave some information down below to let you know how this goes. So we'll see. But $128 seems like a lot. Most items nowadays are not made with just cotton. They're a lot of synthetics. So I'm wondering if that's the reason behind the price. I'm not sure. So I'm going to set that to the side. 120. We'll see how that goes. Oh. This next item, it's from, it's from Glow Recipe. It's the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. And I had to have picked this. Before I started getting my skin peels. So I don't know. I mean, it says makeup melting. It's soothing. So it's got papaya enzymes, papaya seed oil, and blueberries. So I'm wondering if we're going to be kind of gentle. Oh, scoop a generous amount on dry skin. Okay, that's what I was wondering, because I was like, I need a makeup remover or glass. No, I'm not opening this because I'm not done with my other one yet. I'm super close though, so that's probably why I picked this one. Look how cute the inside of the packaging is. They're little papayas. Thank you. I'm excited for that one. At least. The dress, I don't know. I'll let you know. Oh, okay. I feel like I just got bamboozled. What? Okay, so this is from Juliet a gun, not a perfume, $31. I didn't see that it was 8 mil. It smells nice. I can smell it from here. I don't have it right here. I have a tiny little one somewhere running around here. Oh, there you are. What are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, we have leaked everywhere. Oh my gosh. Yep. Oh. Okay, we're gonna put this back in the box. It smells nice. I've gotten it before. Here's my most recent one that I have. Like little sample size one. Or travel deluxe sample size, they like to say. From like Ipsy, things like that. Allure Beauty Box. I must have not read everything. When I get these teeny tiny, okay, maybe that's not the right thing to say. I feel like I'm just a little angry right now. When you get travel size, mini, deluxe, travel, whatever, small size items in your subscription boxes that you pay for that are supposed to be full size, I'm expecting full size products. I am expecting like full, like not a baby one. Maybe it's just me. It's probably just me. I'm a little cranky for the size. I bet it goes a long way because it's not like the spray one. It looks like it's you just dab a little bit and then yeah, places. So maybe it's a lot more than what I think it is. Maybe. I'm a little spicy. Okay. We're gonna quickly move on to the next thing. We're gonna try and keep this positive. Okay, the next item is from DP Hue. It is a glossy hair glaze in sheer for $29. That's a little smaller than I thought it would be, but that's pretty good. 2-minute conditioning glaze. I like how they put this in a bag. And it smells like the Juliet Has a Gun. Probably because it's all over my hand and it's in the box too, but trash. Ooh. Because like the hair glazing has been really in lately, and like my hair, she is nice. She's doing good. I wash her about twice a week. So I want to add some shine in there besides the oily shine that I have going on. So I figured, why not give this a try? Sounds pretty good. Oh, this next item. It is the Bathorium Cognac Walnut Shell Exfoliating Body Sponge. $22. This is so freaking lightweight. Like, this is less weight than the Spongeally ones. I love Spongeally ones, by the way. So good. But, what is inside of you for $22? Is this softened sponge by running under warm water. Add body wash to sponge. So this is just a sponge. This is just a sponge. Yep. Rinse sponge and hang by string between uses. Okay. This is on me. I did this to myself. I didn't. $22 for a sponge. Okay. But it says here it's traditional plastic loofahs can breed and hold bacteria for weeks. Our cognac sponges are naturally antibacterial and allows for luxurious and clean lather every day. So that's the reason for $22. And it says here the sponge will naturally deteriorate in approximately 3 months of use. And then when you're ready, toss it into the compost. $22 for a sponge. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. On to the last item in my box. These are from Array. Not Today Gray. Physician formulated to slow the loss of hair pigment and support hair health. 60 capsules. It's supposed to be vegan and gluten-free, so I was like, okay, let's give this a try. Like, I do love my hair, and I did recently do the butterfly cut thing, gave it like the super whatever mask treatment thingy. So I've been trying to take care of it, doing my thing. So I figured, why not these? Give it a try. They'll last, what, a month? Yeah. 60 capsules twice a day. These are pretty big capsules though. Did I make a good life choice? We'll see. Ooh. And that's everything. That's the whole box. Is this not like the cutest box you ever did see? Oh, I dropped that. Okay. I mean, I normally can come in here I personally do not know why they gave me such a big box when it all fits right here. Teeny tiny, nothing big. This is it. That's it. Okay. That's it for my Fabfitfun for summer 2025. Yep. Okay, bye. Yeah, we're done. That's it. Toodaloo. Wow. Wow. I did not read enough into the items that I was selecting. And this is on me. Let this be a lesson for me. My hand smells good. This is on me though, because yeah, I should have been paying attention. Should have read more into it. Now I'm stuck with a sponge and like the tiniest little travel size parfum. I just feel like for these kind of boxes, I really want to get like my money's worth. The like, not the most expensive product, but like the item that's going to be the most valuable to me. And I picked that perfume, have been waiting for that perfume, expecting to get like a chunker size, like cleared a spot on my little vanity just for this perfume. I was excited, and now I have the tiniest little baby travel perfume. What do you want me to do with that? What do you want me to do? And then this other little spongy thing, I was like, perfect. I don't need to like open up another body wash. We can just use this because it'll be like the sponge jelly I hadn't assumed in my head. And now, no, it is a fancy loofah, pretty much. I'm a little spicy. Oh, tell me you guys did not get the same thing. Or maybe you did get the same thing. Did you guys pick the same thing? Like, let me know in the comments. But I'm like, oh, I'm going to have to dig deeper instead of just at a glance and then picking here and there. Like, from now on. Deeper into thought. I'm not going to lift it up. I was going to, but I'm not. Deeper into thought. We're going to have to take our time, research it, size comparison. I don't know. I'm just me doing my thing. If you're interested in any other of my Fabfitfun openings, there's a few of them. I have them on the Fabfitfun playlist on my channel. You can check those out too, because the things that I have to say right now are not things to say right now. Yeah, we're just gonna... Anywho, I will catch you in my next video, which... it's gonna be a good one. They're good thoughts. Yeah. I'll catch you then. Bye!